Today I am revealing what's inside the February treasure box, so stay tuned. This box is a little different. My entire family got COVID, and that wasn't the worst part. The worst part was actually having everyone home for 2 weeks of isolation. It was a nightmare, but everyone is back to school. However, some of the orders didn't get out on time so that I could get the product so I could show you. No worries, everything should be shipped to you on time on or around the 28th of February, but I don't have the actual items here, so I'm going to do my best to reveal to you what is in this box. It is dragon themed, and the very first thing I'm going to show you is the tea, and it is of dragon red chai. So take some time for yourself. You get 2 tea bags. Make yourself a cup of tea and sit in the quiet and just enjoy it, or take it along with one of your other favorite me time activities and have it with you so you can sip on it as you enjoy some time to yourself doing something that you like to do. Next up, let's talk about the craft in this box. So every box has a craft, and this one is shrink plastic. I don't know if you did this when you were a child, but I absolutely loved watching the oven as my creations shrunk down. So you were going to get 2 sheets of A5 sized shrink plastic, and it's the Sizzix brand. One is white and one is frosted clear. There are patterns as well, so you can follow along and do the same things that I've done, or you can do whatever you like and do your own creations. And of course, since it's dragon themed, we have to have some heat involved, so you can use your oven, or if you have a heat tool, you can use a heat tool as well. If you punch holes in your creations, you can hang them in your planner, or you can glue them to paper clips, use them as a planner clip. There's all kinds of things you can do with these shrinky dinks, either in your planner or in your everyday life. You can add them to your keychain. You can even make them into jewelry or have them as decoration. Next up are the gifts, and in this box you have 2 gifts, and one of them is a dragon fire candle. It's in a little tin, and yours will have a wood wick, so you get that crackly, cozy sound as well as the scent. And it is a campfire scent, so it's very subtle. So light a candle, pull out your favorite book or another activity. It changes the whole mood and feel of your me time. Now your second gift is a set of wax seals. Now I have owl ones here, Hooting Pirate, so I use my owl stamp, but the dragon ones are coming. You will get a dragon. It's red with that gold highlighting on the actual dragon, so you can use them in your planner. You can make them into clips like the Shrinky Dinks. They are adhesive on the back, so all you need to do is peel it off and stick, and you can put them on a letter. You can put them in your planner. You can put them anywhere you like, anywhere that you think it will add a little fire and heat to your projects. But I think it would be really nice if you wrote a special note to someone and then added a wax seal to the envelope. Okay, and we are on to the treat. Like Harry Potter, we are going after that golden dragon egg. But unlike Harry Potter, you won't open it to find screechy mermaid singing. You will find chocolate filled with caramel. Again, I don't have the actual one, but you will be getting a Cadbury caramel egg, a great treat for you to enjoy while you plan or while you sit and enjoy some me time. And last but definitely not least is the stationery item. This box has washi in it, and it is a fire and ice design, so it's sort of reds and pinks and oranges sort of mixed together. Game of Thrones dragons maybe, but a lot less scary. This is a really pretty design. I don't have it myself, but I can't wait to get my hands on it. There is so much that you can do with washi. It is so incredibly versatile. You can put it in your planner, of course. You can put it on that envelope of that letter that you're going to send. I love to use it to make tabs in notebooks that don't have tabs, or any book, even a book that I'm reading. I love to mark a page with a piece of washi. I have so many ideas for washi. I have tons of other videos, so I will send you to this playlist here, and you can go watch those to get some ideas of what you can do with your washi from your dragon box. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry it's not a regular unboxing, but I thought giving you some ideas of what you could do with your me time would be a creative way to tell you what's in the box without actually showing you what's in the box. These boxes are on sale for just a few more days. The cart closes at midnight on the 15th, so hop over there now, get your box ordered. The link is in the description below. Every box has a magical theme, and you get gifts, tea, treats, stationery, and a little mini craft that you can do in one sitting. So pop over to the link in the description now and order your box. If you made it this far, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. You can do that here by clicking on my little face. Here are 2 more videos that I think you will like. If you made it this far, leave me a dragon emoji in the comments below. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.